Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Vikas Nera, and today I will show you how you can create professional slideshows in PowerPoint using ChatGPT, including designs and formatting. I will guide you through the complete process step by step. I have created a demo presentation that I will show you. As you can see, it automatically generated images and created 3 separate sections with proper formatting. I will demonstrate the entire process and show you the content that I used for this demo. I will also show you the content that ChatGPT automatically generated for me. You will learn how to do this in this video. First, I'll open a new chat, but before we begin, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe. After opening a new chat, you'll see a prompt here. You just need to copy and paste it here. Click Send here. This prompt will generate content specifically formatted for PowerPoint, based on whatever topic you provide. Now it's asking which topic you want to create content for. You can choose any topic you want to make a presentation about. I'm going to create one related to digital marketing. So I'll enter digital marketing as our topic. Now it will start generating content for our presentation. It will organize the content by slides. What should be in slide 1, slide 2, slide 3, slide 4, and slide 5. You can adjust the number of slides in your presentation. I've kept it to 4 slides in this prompt, but you can modify this. You can increase or decrease the number of slides. After entering the prompt, it asks you which topic you want to write about. Then, within moments, it will generate all the content for you. Look, it has written everything here. Now, we could copy this directly, but there's a better way. If you simply paste it as is, the formatting won't be correct. So what I do is ask it to convert the content into HTML. So I'll type here, convert this content to HTML. Now it will rewrite everything in HTML code format. Look here, it has written the entire code up to slide 10 and 11. The code is quite extensive, so it might not fit in one response. Just ask it to please continue and it will provide the remaining code. After you have the complete code, click on Copy Code. I'll create a notepad file here and paste it. Then I'll copy the remaining code and paste it here as well. After that, click on Save As and I'll save it to the desktop. I'll limit Bicus and add .html at the end. You can do this either by typing .html or by selecting all files in the Save dialog. When you save it as bicus.html, it creates an HTML file. You can check on the desktop, see, there's bicus.html created with this method. After that, you need to open Microsoft Word. After opening Word, create a blank document, click on Open, browse to the desktop, and select the bicus.html file. All the formatting and designs have been imported correctly. Now, since it was originally in HTML format, we need to save it as a Word document. Click on Save As and here on the desktop. Save it as a Word document, .docs. I'll click Save here, then close it. Now you can see your file Dicus has been created. Next, open your OneDrive, then click on Upload and select File. Go to the desktop and upload the Dicus document you created here. The file has been uploaded. You can see it here. Just click on it. I'll remove the old version from here. Once it's uploaded, click on File, then Export, and select Export to PowerPoint Presentation. You'll see some templates here. You can select any template, or click on See More Themes to view additional options. I'll select this one and click on Select and Export. It's now adding the design elements. After it's done, I'll click on Open. It will take all the content you provided and create a professionally designed presentation. Now you can see Dicus.pptx has been created with all the designs and formatting. Look, it has automatically added icons and separated the 4 or 5 topics into different slides with proper formatting. After that, you can subscribe. The 4 aspects of social media marketing are shown separately here, and the email marketing concepts have been nicely designed in PowerPoint. This PowerPoint presentation has been automatically designed and formatted. Look here, and at the end, it's complete. You can download it from here after I reload it. A download option will appear here. You can download it or open it directly on your desktop. You can also share it. So this was how you can use ChatGPT to create presentations on any topic. This is extremely useful for schoolwork and office presentations. This saves a lot of time. You just need to provide the topic you want content for, and it will generate everything in the same style. Then you just follow these steps. If you want to create more elaborate presentations, you can add your own content and customize the design in Word. That's all for this video. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe. I regularly upload interesting and helpful videos like this one. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.